at the same time, do you think that if next year the elections happen, the government at that time will be able to take this case to International Criminal Court?
So, that's a good question. Now, in the meanwhile, while Sheikh Hasina has made that strong statement yesterday, and I've given you all the reasons why the ICT is not really eligible or constitutionally mandated to try Sheikh Hasina, at the same time, Sheikh Hasina has herself said that I am prepared to answer any questions and face any trial, provided it is fair and inclusive. And she has mentioned the ICC, International
Criminal Court, yeah.
International Criminal Court at The Hague, and she's mentioned that because already a law company from the UK, Doughty Street Chambers, has actually filed what they call a notice to the prosecution of the ICC at The Hague, talking about what is being inflicted on the Awami League and how they are being maligned and unfairly treated and what has happened to the Awami League members. Close to 400 of them have been killed, and all these problems that actually the ICT is not looking at. Even if you wanted to say that the ICT is looking at what Sheikh Hasina did, they have said the ICT should look only at what happened between 14th July and 5th of August. They're not looking at beyond that. What was the violence unleashed on the minorities in Bangladesh, violence unleashed on the Awami League in Bangladesh, violence unleashed on the media in Bangladesh? All that is not being looked at all. And on the contrary, instead of not looking at it, the US regime has indemnified their own people against any charges for whatever they may have. So this is a completely one-sided situation. All this has been brought to the notice of the ICC and at The Hague. And I know also that in addition to what this UK legal company has done, there are additional people from Bangladesh, lawyers, international lawyers and groups who have filed cases in the ICC. At least 4 or 5 of such cases have been filed in the ICC at The Hague, saying that, this is the attack on the Awami League, the attack on the media, the attack on the religious minorities, and how there is no questioning about this, no accountability for any of this. All this is already before the ICC at The Hague. And so it could be taken up by them at any time.